Jining Juheng Hydraulic Machinery Company Limited is the professional manufacturer and exporter of hydraulic accessories for crawler excavators, professionally provided aftermarket customers with various brands of crawler excavator, final drive, travel motor, travel gearbox, swing device, swing motor, swing gearbox, hydraulic pump, main control valve, and other accessories. Quality and dependability are very important to us because we know how important it is to you too. Strictly controlling the quality acceptance of each product's standards to ensure high quality, qualified export of each product. Our parts will deliver long-lasting performance and extend the time between replacements. Juheng's products have been continuously developed to meet the needs of the era, such as high efficiency, low noise, and compact design. They are both excellent options that provide incredible performance and reliability at up to 70% off the cost of new OEM dealer pricing. Our products have been exported to various countries and regions all over the world. We have established long-term cooperation with many customers from Europe, America, Japan, and Korea. The company's business scope covers more than 80 countries and regions. We won unanimous praise from customers for our high-quality products, ultra-low prices, and thoughtful service. In addition, we can customize the production service of the products according to the customer's needs through the drawings and make the perfect product in the heart of each customer. Look forward to long-term business cooperation with you.